Hi, I'm Cal with Lavender.org. I just got an edger attachment for my mower, and we're about to install it and give a little small review on it. See what's up. See if it's worth it. It was about 200 bucks. It's from easyedgebr.com. So you can see it's supposed to scoop the side of flower beds. It gets installed on the edge of the mower, and as I lower the mower deck, this will dig in. It'll dig in and form the edge of the bed. So let's install it and see how it goes. This is on the Exmark 60-inch mower. So the first problem I see, this thing has two holes, 1, 2, and I'm gonna drill 2 holes in on the side of the deck so I can attach it as such. And I can see a problem because my mower has about 1/2 inch lip on the bottom as enforcement, and so I think it's gonna leave a little gap, so I need to put a spacer in there. We'll see how that holds up. I don't know if it's gonna weaken, make it weaker or not, but it's gonna go right about there. So let's drill the holes and use some spacers.